Hey, this is Chaz Roberts. I'm a personal injury lawyer. It's my passion to bring the law to the people, and that's the purpose of this podcast. You are listening to Law Have Mercy. All right, another bonus episode. Carter, hit me with a question, and I'm going to try to answer it in 5 minutes or less.
Well, Chaz, in previous episodes, you've talked a lot about dash cams and the importance of them. In your opinion, what are the top 3 reasons why people should get a dash cam?
Excellent question. It's a question I get all the time. Number three reason why I think you should get a dash cam is it prevents or can prevent road rage, right? So if someone looks back and they want to be aggressive towards you, your wife, a loved one, and they look back and they see a camera in the windshield, they're going to think twice about doing something crazy. Just like you see the cameras at the supermarket, you can prevent theft. Same phenomenon happens with dash cams. The number 2 reason why I think you should get a dash cam is it makes you a safe driver. If you are conscious of that camera recording all of your actions and the actions of you on the road, you'll be a lot more careful in driving. That means you're probably going to text less, or not at all, hopefully. Not get on your phone, not be distracted, and keep your eyes and ears on the road and your hands on the wheel in a safe place. And finally, the number 1 reason why I think you should have a dash cam is it helps prove that you are not at fault. All right, so picture you going through an intersection and you have a green light and someone else has a red light. If that becomes a he said, she said matter. You can bet that that other person will not admit that they ran a red light. If you have a video, it's going to be clear, conclusive proof that you were actually in the right, and that can save you a lot of time, money, and energy, prevent a lawsuit from being filed against you, and you could actually have a claim against them. Same thing happens in a rear-end situation, right? If you're a rear-ending person, if you rear-end the person in front of you, chances are you're going to be at fault. But if you have a camera showing that that person stopped for no reason, didn't put a signal light on, something causing them backed up into you, something causing the wreck, now you have proof that you were in the right. Those are my top 3 reasons for getting a dash cam. I hope you get one. They're cheap. You can go on Amazon. You can go to Walmart. You can go to Costco, find one, and it will add a lot to your life and your safety and the safety of your loved ones. Hey, it would mean the world to me if you subscribe to the podcast and leave us a 5-star review. It helps keep the show free, and it helps us book better guests to provide more valuable content to you. None of the opinions expressed by my guests are that of my own, and nothing we talked about creates an attorney-client relationship or could be construed as legal advice. Hope you enjoy the show.